a bustling Roman city. Crowded streets. Open markets. Families going about their day. Then suddenly, a mountain exploded. And within hours, an entire city vanished from the earth. In the year 79 AD, the Roman city of Pompeii was one of the most vibrant cities in the Roman Empire. It had theaters, bathhouses, restaurants, and beautiful villas. But Pompeii had one dangerous neighbor: the volcano Mount Vesuvius. For centuries, it had been silent. No one in Pompeii realized they were living beside one of the most dangerous volcanoes in Europe. On the morning of August 24, 79 AD, life in Pompeii was normal. Merchants sold fruit and bread in the markets. Children played in the streets. Citizens visited public bathhouses and temples. Pompeii was prosperous and lively. But around midday, something strange happened. A massive column of dark smoke suddenly shot into the sky above Mount Vesuvius. People stopped and stared. At first, many thought it was just a strange cloud, but it kept growing, higher and higher. Soon, ash began falling from the sky. As the eruption intensified, the sky over Pompeii turned dark. Ash and pumice stones rained down on the city. Roofs began collapsing under the weight. People panicked. Some fled the city immediately. Others stayed inside their homes, hoping the eruption would stop. But the worst was still coming. Hours later, the volcano unleashed its most dangerous weapon: a pyroclastic flow, a fast-moving cloud of superheated gas, ash, and rock. It raced down the slopes of Mount Vesuvius at incredible speed. Temperatures inside the cloud reached hundreds of degrees Celsius. When it reached Pompeii, everything happened in seconds. People had no time to escape. The city was instantly engulfed. Within hours, Pompeii was buried beneath several meters of volcanic ash. The once vibrant city had completely disappeared. After the disaster, Pompeii was abandoned. Over time, its exact location was forgotten. For centuries, the buried city remained hidden beneath layers of ash and soil. Until the year 1748, workers digging in the area made an astonishing discovery. They had found the lost city of Pompeii. Archaeologists began excavating the ruins. And what they uncovered shocked the world. Because Pompeii had been buried so quickly, the city was preserved almost exactly as it was on the day it was destroyed. Homes still contained furniture. Food remained on tables. Even graffiti on the walls was still visible. But the most haunting discoveries were the victims. Archaeologists found hollow spaces in the ash where bodies had decomposed. When they filled these spaces with plaster, they revealed the final moments of Pompeii's residents. People shielding their faces. Families holding each other. Citizens frozen in their last desperate attempts to survive. Today, Pompeii is one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. A haunting reminder of the power of Mount Vesuvius. Nearly 2,000 years later, the city still tells the story of a single day, when an entire civilization was buried in ash. And how, in just a few hours, history can be frozen forever.